I'm mocking up uh, the hood opening mechanism. I'm going to attempt to use two 6-inch cylinders. This is represented by this here. Okay. I already have a pivot point at the front of the hood that I used before, but it was just, I got to grab it by hand and open it, but now I want to actuate it electrically. So the pivot point here already, I'll use that. I tried to simulate the curve of the hood as close as I possibly can, okay, which would be the bottom outside edge of the hood and the position of this cylinder. So I have to build some mechanism to hold this pivot point here, and I got to build some mechanism to hold this pivot point here. It shouldn't be too difficult, but basically the operation would be as to, with a 6-inch stroke cylinder, would get me to there. That opening now is enough to check the oil, check the water, I think do anything in here that I want. That's plenty of opening. I could go higher with an 8-inch stroke cylinder, would get me even higher, but I think then the distance between these two centers would be different, so I might have to drop it. So I don't know if there's any gain by that. 6 inches, I happen to have them in stock. I used them on my trailer, and it just wasn't enough oomph to lift the whole trailer body up with the trike on it, so I scrapped that idea. But basically, going back down to zero, you can see I've got that hood profile is, I think this will work. But basically, open to there, close to there. How's that, Jeff?